the moment you take a
Hello,
bite.
we are Team
Food
1
is
and
shuttled
today
from the
we're going
mouth
to talk
to the
about the
stomach
function
via
of
the
the stomach,
esophagus,
one
a
of the
ride that
most
will take
important
about 5
organs
to
in
8
the
seconds.
digestive system.
The
The
peristalsis
digestive
is the
system helps our
involuntary
body break
muscular
down the
force
food
that
we eat,
propels
so
food
we
through
can
the
absorb
digestive
nutrients
tract.
and use them
It almost
for
looks like an
energy,
ocean
growth, and
wave
repair.
pushing food
The
from one
stomach plays
organ to the next.
a key role in this process because it
When food
prepares the
reaches
food
the end
for
of
the
your
next
esophagus,
stages
a
for the
ring-like
digestion.
muscle called the lower
The stomach is a
esophageal
muscular
sphincter
organ located in
relaxes
the upper
and
part
lets
of
the
the
food
abdomen,
pass into your
between
stomach.
the esophagus and the small intestine. When we swallow food, it
Weakness
travels
of the
from
sphincter
the esophagus
causes a
and enters the
backflux of stomach acid and
Once the food
heartburn.
arrives, the stomach begins to contract and relax,
The stomach
mixing
is
the
where
food
the
with
real
digestive
action
liquids.
begins.
These moments
Digestive
help break
juices
the
and
food into
enzymes
smaller and
break
softer
down the
pieces
food that
so
you swallowed.
digestion can continue
This
more
helps make
easily.
nutrients available for absorption later in the small intestine.
Inside the stomach,
The
there are
digestive
special
juices are
glands that
powerful
produce
hydrochloric
gastric juices.
acids that kill
These juices
pathogens in
contain
food and gives the
hydrochloric
stomach the
acid
low
and
pH digestive enzymes need.
Hydrochloric acid
This
helps
acid could
destroy
literally
bacteria and
dissolve
germs
most of the other
that
organs
may
in your
come
body.
with food,
Luckily,
while
your stomach
enzymes
contains
help
a
break
thick
down
mucus lining.
proteins into smaller molecules. Even though
However,
the
when there's too
acid
much
is very
acid in the
strong,
stomach, it can
has a
eat away the
protective
inner
layer
surface of the
of
stomach,
mucus that
causing an ulcer.
prevents it from being
The
damaged.
process of digestion takes longer for some types of
Another
food than
important
others.
function of the
Simple
stomach is transforming
carbohydrates, such
food
as an
into a
energy drink,
semi-liquid
break
mixture
down the
called
fastest.
chyme.
This explains why
happens
many
when the stomach
recommend energy
muscles
drinks
keep
for a
mixing the
quick
food
energy boost.
with gastric juices.
Proteins
After
take longer
some
to
time,
digest,
the chyme becomes
and fats
smooth
take the
and
longest
easier
time
for
of
the
all.
body to process. The
The
stomach
stomach
then
slowly
releases
empties
this
its contents
mixture
into your
through a
small
valve
intestine.
called the pyloric
The muscles of the small intestine
sphincter.
mix food
small
with digestive
intestine,
juices from the
where
pancreas,
most
liver,
nutrient
and
absorption
intestine, and
occurs.
push the mixture forward for
The
further
stomach
digestion.
also works as a temporary storage organ.
The walls
This
of the
means
small
it can
intestine
hold
are
food for
covered by
several
tiny
hours while
finger-like
digestion
projections
takes place.
called
Instead
villi.
of sending all the food at
These
once,
projections
the stomach
increase the
gradually
surface area
releases
through
small
which
amounts
nutrients
into
can
the
be
small
absorbed
intestine.
into your bloodstream.
This slow and controlled processes allow the digestive system
As
to
peristalsis
function
continues,
more
the
efficiently
waste
and
products
helps
of the
body
digestive
absorb
process
nutrients more
move into the large
effectively.
intestine.
So, for our last
The large
part,
intestine is named for the
we are
diameter
going
of the
to
cavity,
talk about
not
the
for its
conclusion.
length. It is actually much
conclusion,
shorter than the small
the
intestine.
stomach has several essential functions.
Its role is to
in the
absorb any
digestive
extra water
process.
from the digested
It
material
stores
before it
food,
is finally excreted.
mix it with
If food passes through
powerful
too quickly, too
digestive
little water is
juices
absorbed,
that kills
and you might have
harmful
diarrhea.
bacteria
If it
and
passes too
turns
slowly,
food
your
into
body
chyme.
absorbs too much water, and you
After
may become
that,
constipated.
It sends the food to the small
It takes
intestine,
about 30
so the
hours for
body
food to
can
move through
absorb
the large
nutrients. Because of these important roles, the stomach is a key organ that helps to keep our body healthy and functioning prosperous. Thank you for listening our podcast, and we see you in the next time.